I'm so stoked, guys.
Hey guys, it's John and Morgan with Long Haul Lifesavers. Okay guys, so we have to get out of the house for a little bit. Morgan's been going stir crazy. She's been locked up in the house for 3 weeks now.
Yeah, way too long.
So yeah, it's
way too long.
Definitely starting to show. So we have I have a honey-do list.
I'm there for moral support.
Okay. So we have to head to Lowe's and pick up some equipment. We got to grab our face mask and then we will head out. Okay.
My glasses keep fogging up.
What kind of grain of wood do you like?
It doesn't matter.
Ugh.
You're driving me nuts.
You're driving me nuts. Hey, do you want my wood? Morgan,
What?
what's wrong?
I'm hungry.
No, you're hangry. There's a difference.
Watch out, Luke. Here, wait. Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. I'm hungry. Yeah, do your hands faster. Let's go. I'm not apologizing for being hungry.
I will take my apology now.
Watch where you're going. See, I'm being a backseat driver.
You are so ridiculous.
Oh man! So we just got out of Lowe's. We wore our masks and everything and stayed away from everyone. But you know, I just don't understand. Like when we were coming out in the parking lot, I wish I got it on film. There was a car. Did you see all those people coming out of that car?
No.
They had mom and dad, the kids, grandma and grandpa that could barely walk, and all of them had their masks on. That's great and all, but come on, people.
Diesel's 206.
Diesel's 206 here. That's good. I had a dream that diesel was 8 cents.
Somebody got it somewhere for 89 cents a gallon.
89 cents a gallon.
210 there.
210. Gas is $1.59. Whoop, whoop. Are you excited to do this project?
No.
Oh, I thought that was the speaker. I don't know.
I'm sorry? Bacon with a...
Ooh, she yelling. You ain't want no bacon.
Okay. And what's that drink for you?
Can I get a large mocha iced coffee?
Okay. A large mocha iced coffee.
Yes, ma'am.
Alrighty.
And then can I get a number 3 with a Dr. Pepper?
Yeah, so she says, I put a little extra chocolate. Holy crap. So y'all heard him ask with no bacon. So check this out. They did a sausage one, left the sausage on. Guess we'll just peel that off. Why are we doing take 2?
Because Jack in the Box employs morons, evidently. Because they got none of our order right. My drink is a Diet Coke.
They did my sandwich completely wrong. His sandwich was burnt to a crisp and rock solid.
I thought I almost chipped a tooth.
So now John is at Sonic because he is hungry still.
Of course I'm hungry. I didn't eat anything.
Well, I made mine work.
With my big wiener.
This is gonna end bad.
Yeah, this is gonna be difficult. I don't know how this is actually gonna work.
You have like a Dwight Schrute hair thing going on right now. One piece is like, yeah, that's better. See, I told you how your hair was.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my new toy. The dog's a stink. So we're getting clean carpet.
The dogs stink or you stink?
You stink.
Not me.
Yeah, I think you farted. One of them farted. Maybe it was you.
That blew in my face. What we have here is Reflectix. This is an RVer's best friend. It can be used as insulation. It can keep out sun if you're working nights like this guy is. We put it in our window so we can sleep. It reflects heat away. It can keep heat or cool in. So this is real versatile, really cheap, really thin, lightweight. It's awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw this under the cabinet because we have some holes that go into our undercarriage. So we're kind of losing heat and AC through there. A lot of people have said that this is actually a return. I crawled like a monkey up under there to see where the actual returns are, and under the cabinets are not the returns. So we're going to go ahead and insulate this and then cap them off.
Confused as to why all of the furniture has moved off the carpet. So we got these magnets that this is going to attach to the leg of the cabinet, and then this is going to go onto the piece that John made, the wood plank. So then it's magnetic and it'll just snap to it. So that way we can remove the panel easily.
Issue.
What's the problem? Are you happy now? Mia, are you happy?
Look at that, dead on the money.
So to give you an overview of what we did, there was kick plates down here at the bottom underneath these cabinets, under both of these. And the kick plates didn't go all the way to the ground, so it left an opening of about 2 inches. So any Mia's hair or dog food or anything that escaped went under there. And it was really always hard to clean. So we pulled those out completely, and then we ended up making a full piece here, and it's held on by magnets because it has to be able to come out every time we pull this slide box in, the kitchen slide box, because there's the refrigerator cord that goes underneath, and that has to be able to move back and forth. So the magnets was the easiest, fastest solution to be able to pull it in and out. And then on this side, every RVer knows having dogs is the hardest thing to do, finding a place to store dog bowls. So this slides right in, and their little dog toys and everything fits right there. I think today was a success. Thank you, John.
That's going to wrap up today's episode, guys. If our creativity inspired you, make sure you leave us a comment of what you're going to do in your RV next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and then head on over to Instagram and follow us at Long Haul Lifesavers. See you guys.